updating your primary email on iCloud is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is current and secure. Step 1. Sign into iCloud. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your account name or the settings icon. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your personal information. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the account settings menu, look for the option labeled email or account details. Click on this to view your current email settings. Step 4. Update your primary email. Find the section that allows you to change your primary email address. Enter your new email address and follow any prompts to verify it. Make sure to check for any confirmation emails sent to the new address. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your email, ensure you save the changes. Log out and log back in to confirm that your new primary email is correctly set up. Make sure to keep your account information up to date to avoid any issues in the future. Following these steps will help you maintain access to your iCloud services.